name is Rajita. I'm a speech language pathologist at Pinnacle Blooms Network Delhi branch, and today I'll be telling you how you can use storytelling cards for speech therapy. So the storytelling cards that we have here are basically 6 storytelling cards, and the story we have here is The Thirsty Crow. Now, first things first, when can you use these story cards? So you can use this first if your child is just learning language and is at one word utterance stage. At that point, you can use story cards just to describe the picture and have the child answer in one word utterances. So just ask him or her, what is this? What is this? So they just say crow, sun, grass, or you can ask them colors as well. What color is this? What color is this? So they can just reply black, green, blue, yellow, etc. Now, if your child has advanced a little and they are at a 2-word or a 3-word utterance level, story cards are a great way to improve that number of utterances, and it's a great way to have them speak in sentences as well. You can do that in the form of questions or just have them describe what is happening in the story. So you can just say, what is happening in this picture, or what do you see in this picture? Or you can ask them specific questions. What is the crow doing? What is the crow drinking? Where is the crow in this picture? So you can do it either way. Now, the second thing that we come to is how do you use these cards when you are trying to teach your child sentences. The first thing you need to do is make sure that you have a specific number of words in each sentence that you will be describing for each picture. So for example, for the first picture, you can just have the crow is thirsty. So that's a 3-word sentence. And then if you have decided that all these pictures will have 3-word sentences, then make sure that you have 3-word sentences for all of these pictures that are set. So the crow is thirsty. The crow is looking. The crow is has a stone. The crow is drinking. The crow is flying. So just have three sentences for each picture. If you want 2 sentences, then you make sure that you have only 2 sentences for each picture. You can just say crow thirsty, crow drinking, crow flying. So just 2 words. It'll just be easy for your child to understand the story, follow the story, and also repeat the story if there is a repetition in the same. So if you do the story over and over again with the same set of sentences, it'll just be easy for your child to grasp the story and repeat after you. And like I said before, you can do it either way. You can just make it an open-ended question where you just ask your child, tell me what is happening, or you can ask specific questions in the picture. Another thing you can do is to make the activity more interesting is make it in the form of a game. So what you can do is you can hide 2 pictures from here and you have them start the story, and then you ask them where the story card is. Then they can go find the card, put it back, and then tell you what is happening in the story. So in that way you can do, okay, let's complete the story today. Hide 3 cards and they go find the cards and then they tell you the story. Another thing you can do to increase the difficulty level is remove certain cards from the story and have them tell you the story without having any visual cues. So visual cues are basically like them looking at the picture and telling you. So just to increase the difficulty level, you remove 3 pictures and you ask them, okay, so what is happening? And then you can keep increasing the difficulty by just giving them the first card, removing all the other cards, and telling them, okay, so we are going to do Thirsty Crow today. Tell me the story, and they just have like the first visual cue and then they tell you the rest of the story by themselves using the sentences that you've already practiced. Thank you.
Pinnacle Blooms Network ప్రపంచ వ్యాప్తంగా స్పీచ్ డిలే, ఆటిజం స్పెక్ట్రమ్ డిజార్డర్, కాగ్నిటివ్ డెవలప్మెంటల్, సైకలాజికల్ రుగ్మతలతో బాధపడుతున్న దాదాపు 80 కోట్ల మంది పిల్లలు మరియు పెద్దల జీవిత ప్రమాణాలు మెరుగయ్యే విధంగా దశాబ్దాల రీసెర్చ్ తో కూడినటువంటి అత్యంత ప్రభావవంతమైన స్పీచ్ థెరపీ, ఆక్యుపేషనల్ థెరపీ, బిహేవియరల్ థెరపీ, సైకలాజికల్ కౌన్సిలింగ్, చైల్డ్ డెవలప్మెంట్ మరియు రీహాబిలిటేషన్ సర్వీసులు అందిస్తున్న ఏకైక స్పెషల్ ఎడ్యు హెల్త్ కేర్ సంస్థ పినాకిల్ బ్లూమ్స్ నెట్వర్క్. ప్రపంచంలోనే మొట్టమొదటిసారి మిరాకిల్ అనే పేటెంటెడ్ టెక్నాలజీ సహాయంతో అత్యంత పారదర్శక థెరపీ సర్వీసులను అందిస్తున్న ఏకైక సంస్థ పినాకిల్ బ్లూమ్స్ నెట్వర్క్. 100 మందికి పైగా నిష్ణాతులైన థెరపిస్టులతో మీ మరియు మీ పిల్లల బంగారు భవిష్యత్తు కొరకు పాటుపడుతున్న సంస్థ పినాకిల్ బ్లూమ్స్ నెట్వర్క్. భారత ప్రభుత్వ ప్రతిష్టాత్మక స్టార్టప్ ఇండియా అవార్డు పొందిన భారత్ హెల్త్ కేర్ ప్రైవేట్ లిమిటెడ్ యొక్క అనుబంధ సంస్థ.